In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes in Zoho CRM. This process is incredibly straightforward, and by the end of our tutorial, you'll be able to generate quotes seamlessly for your contacts. So let's dive into it. First, open up your web browser and head to the Zoho CRM homepage. This will be your starting point, usually containing quick links to all the sections you'll need in the CRM. Once you're there, the next thing to do is navigate over to Contacts in the main menu. Clicking on Contacts will open a list of all the people you've interacted with. Here, take a moment to find the contact you want to create a quote for, and clicking on a contact will take you to a detailed view of their information, giving you all the data you'll need to proceed. Now that you're on your chosen contacts page, look for the Quotes section. This area allows you to view any existing quotes or create new ones from scratch. Click on Quotes, and it should lead you to a page showing any quotes that might have been previously generated. For our purpose today, we want to create a new quote, so go ahead and click on the New button. This will set us on the path to crafting a brand new quote. In the new quote interface, you'll find several fields that need to be filled out. Start by typing a subject that clearly describes the quote, something concise yet descriptive. Next, you'll need to choose or input an account name. If the account already exists, you can easily select it from the list. If not, input the account name manually. Now let's shift our focus to the Quoted Items section. This part is crucial as it contains all the products or services you're quoting for. It's important to be as detailed and accurate as possible here. Choose a product from your database or list of available items. You'll also need to specify the quantity for each product. The Quoted Items section essentially details what you're offering to the client and at what quantity, and so accuracy in this section ensures clarity and avoids confusion later on. Once all this information is filled out to your satisfaction, all that's left to do is to save the quote. Click on Save to finalize the quote creation process. This saves all your work and allows the system to process it, ready to share with your contact. And there you have it. You've successfully created a quote in Zoho CRM. Remember, this tool is here to streamline your workflow and help you manage client interactions more effectively. Practice these steps, and soon, creating quotes will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.